We are recording. All right, I am here. We are. My name is Marcus Bailey, and I am the owner and sole proprietor at this point of Honeybee Acres Microfarm located in Cleveland, Washington. And hopefully, we will be changing our location to Tuscaloosa, Alabama in the next 90 days. This is a 90-day project trying to accumulate as many $20 as I possibly can from people. Yes, I'm actually asking as many people as I possibly can for $20 to help me purchase property to fulfill some verbal contracts that I already have in place. People have uh, provided some faith in me and my products, but I have to have the space to produce the product. Now, at this current point, I am farming in my backyard to this date. Over the last 2 years, I have propagated over 4,000 different species of plants from either seed, grafting, or cloning, or different replication techniques. Um, so I'm actually, I'm pretty good at it. And, my Uncle Bobby used to tell me, you do what you love and every day, and you'll never work a day in your life. So and I would be doing it anyway. And the thing is if I could be doing it and doing it for a living and doing it for myself and something I could pass down to my grand, then and I can help feed some people along the way, and I can help some people along the way, then I'm ready to go. I'm all for it. I'm ready to give my life and dedicate my life to that. Um, so this is the second property that we are gonna take a look at. I'm actually have to do some searching for it. Uh, so just bear with me, please and thank you. I'm gonna move this thing over here. Let's see. Let's go Zillow. All right, and this actual particular piece of property is pretty sentimental to me. Um, it actually belongs to my father and his brother, and I've spoken to them about purchasing it, and lo and behold, it's on it's for sale on Zillow. So I'm gonna take a look at this land and see if we can find it. It's 8 acres. Just County. Let's see. 30. Let's see what this says. Let's see how this goes. Like I said, this property has sentimental value to me. 7.5 acres now. Uh, this is my grandmother's property, and I remember going to this property as a little boy. Man, my grandma used to come pick me up in that blue van, and she'd come down there. And we'd go down here. And we'd feed these hogs. And she had a whole pen of hogs with some roosters over here, and 2 trailers back over here. So, man, this land is absolutely perfect for what I want to try to do. Um, Here's the satellite view. all of that, man. I really, really like to, purchase that land. Let's see how much they're asking for it. Computers freezing and thinking again. Uh, so yeah, that's property number 2. Uh, come on, let's take a look at it. Let's see if there's any more information. What are you doing? Not this one. Man, come on. Really? $9,000 for 8 acres. Says it's 8 acres. I want it. Most certainly do want it. And I don't know how I can. Baron Collins. Yeah, I know. I want it. I know. Yeah, it was a cattle farm several years ago. Yes, when I was a kid. I want this property. For one, because I feel like it already belongs to me. So if I can get enough people to give me enough $20, man, I can go buy 8 acres for 100 grand, and right on the west side of Tuscaloosa, and feed a whole lot of people. And they cutting the price on it. Like, these my people. Like, I give my people this money for this land, but like, they want it all at one time. They're older, kind of don't think that they think the same way that I do about stuff. So I'm gonna call my dad again tomorrow, and I'm gonna show him this video and say, man, be a real nice birthday present. Y'all figure out some kind of way to sell me this land. So I'm gonna ask a whole lot of people for $20 to see if I can buy this land and put some pigs on there, and put a couple high tunnels on there. Give y'all money. I know y'all getting older and everything. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Well, again, thank you very much for taking a look at the second property that I'm really trying to look at for a purchase. And on top of this, what's real crazy is my mama don't live but 4 or 5 blocks away too, and that's another plus. So, man, this would be so nice to have. It would be absolutely amazing, and I would be elated. Well, that's property number 2. We'll get back to you, with another video, property number 3 here soon. All right. Thank you for your time. Share our video to somebody you think will help me get $20. I need $20 from 200,000 people. And let's try to show these videos to 200,000 people. Let's see how many times I can get $20 so I can buy this property. All right. Thank y'all very much for watching, sharing, and I guess we'll see y'all next time. Oh, I guess I need to say, if any you got any inquiries or anything, hit me up at honeybeacresmicrofarm@gmail.com. You can find me on Instagram and YouTube at honeybeacres. All right. Later.